Let's take a look. Do you know what this is called? It's a carbon canister solenoid valve. Have you noticed your car using more fuel lately? Or maybe you smell gasoline while driving. That means it's faulty. Don't ignore this. Take your car to a rest area. Without 700-800W, you can't even start it. Today I'll show you how to fix it for just $2. It's easy to remove. See? It's between these two clips. First step, let's take it off. Then unplug this tube. Now unplug the tube on the other end. Finally, press this clip and pull out the connector. See? The valve's out. Pretty simple, right? One end connects to the tank, the other to the engine. It should be closed. If open, the engine constantly draws fuel vapor, increasing consumption. Let's test it. See that? It's open. That's the problem. Now that we know, it's easy to fix, right? I bought this new one from the auto parts store. Cost about a bowl of ramen. Okay, now let's put the other tube back. Finally, plug the connector back in. The valve's installed. Fuel consumption should drop now. How's that? Isn't it super simple? Come give it a try.